Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video on the Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart I have, and I made this chart on the 15th November, right? 3 days ago, 15th November, right? So in this chart, I'm showing a few different things. This is the Elliott wave count. Wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5. After that, usually comes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C correction. So this wave A is supposed to be coming down. Now, this wave A also has subwaves, right? So all in all, it's supposed to drop. And this diagram you can see, this is the Elliott wave and harmonic pattern together. So this is only the Elliott wave perspective that I'm showing here. Now, this is a harmonic pattern, which is, let me show you that what is like this, right? This is a bearish girdle pattern. The characteristic of this one is the X, you pull the fib from X to A, any length that you want to measure, then the first pullback must be at 61%. Then usually it goes back to 23% line. And then this is like a borderline. So either it's going to drop all the way straight down, or it will go up for one more pullback around 78%. And that's where the pattern girdle is finished, and it drops after that, right? So this line, 23% line of the same fib, is very, very crucial. So now, as you can see here, I had it, this pull the fib from here to here. The first pullback was exactly 61%, and then it dropped, and it was staying at 23% line. So the possibility for both scenario were equally present, that it will drop here for wave 3, and or it will go up for girdle pattern and then drop. Now, what is wave 3 and how far it's supposed to be? So in Elliott wave chart, like this one I have made, all of these charts are my own charts, made it like 10 years ago, 12 years ago. So this is wave 1, 2, and wave 3 usually goes to 1.618. That is the target. And then it goes up for wave 4. Where's wave 4? Let me see if I can open it real quick. For wave 4 target, that's how it's going to be. Okay, Elliott wave, and it will go up. This is the small one, bigger one. Here. So it's supposed to go up like this: A, B, C after hitting wave 3 at 1.618. So what happened to this chart? Let me show it to you. This is the live chart, what's happening right now. But what happened to this chart here? Let me see. This what happened. All right. So just a little while ago. So it came down all the way straight to hit my exact target, 161.8%. That was the target shown here. See, 161%. And also 55508. That was the target for wave 3. And it hit the target to the pip already. And now it's going up to the upside. This is the live chart. This is what it is. This is 55508. 55508, you can see, right? So it came very close to that, and then it went up. And this is actually my entry, by the book entry of my Magic IB system. You can see that this is all this indicates all the way down. Yellow is above the black, higher low, and then red candle turns blue. I open the trade, and it starts to go up, and my SL is somewhere here. So even if my SL hit, it's not, it's very small, but I have a very good chance of going to the upside for wave 4 now. Okay, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 1 and wave 2, it didn't bother going and making a harmonic pattern, right? It does most of a lot of times. So you have to be ready for everything, all the. So if it would go to the upside, I will find my entry right here somewhere, and then I get in and then cash out here. I will have that. So now I'm going up with this, and then let's see if I can live chart of that thing is this. Okay, so this I think that is gonna come up now after finishing the wave 3. So be ready and use whatever the system or the technique that you have to get in. I already got in, and I'm in, and my SL is in place, and I'll be waiting for around maybe 59. I will probably cash out somewhere around 59, and let's see if it shows the sign to drop before that. Fine, but if not, then right now my target is above 59. So let's see. So this is it for now. This is how systematic is this. I made the chart like this. That is going to come down here, and after 3 days, it is here. Now it's bouncing. So this is the power of the Elliott wave. And then my system, I showed you that how precise it gives you the entry when the turn is about to happen. And then coming down, you can see how many entries, right? And then going up again, so this is how it is. The system is very, very clear entries. For example, this one, this one, this one, but here now going up, beautiful entry, and then so far it is, and this thing, it can bounce in a blink of an eye and go to the upside, right? So let's see what happens. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, which is about to come, right? One more day. It's not started yet, but tomorrow my weekend started because I hardly trade on Friday. So that will be the Friday, right? So this is how it is. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and the day. All right.